to the channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys the best slow motion effect with 30 frames per second in DaVinci Resolve 16. It's really easy to do, so all you have to do is just have a video in your timeline like I have on mine here, and then you just want to select the cutting tool, the blade tool right here. It's the fourth one down. And then all you have to do in your video is just find the portions that you want to make slow motion. So I'm just going to go over here and just find the portion I want to make slow motion, and I'll go ahead and I'll cut it where I want it to start. And then I'll keep dragging this red tool along, and then where I want it to stop being slow motion, I can click on that, just like that. So you have this little portion that you want to make slow. Once you have that, you can just go click on that portion by switching back to this tool here and then going and clicking on it. Then you want to right click, and then you just want to go to change clip speed. Once you're in change clip speed, you want to ensure that you have the ripple sequence effect toggled. And then you can go ahead and adjust the speed and frames per second how you would like. So for this video, I'll just put, let's say, 60%. And then as you can see, once you click enter after you change the percentage, it will adjust your video here. And then another thing that you can do as well is you can head over to Inspector in the top right up here. Ensure that that video is still clicked like mine is as well. Just head up to Inspector, and then if you scroll down in Inspector, you can click on Retime and Scaling. So if you just click on that twice, it'll open up more settings for you. And then I just recommend you change the retime process to optical flow. And then you adjust the motion estimation to enhanced better. It just makes it a lot more smoother, I find. Now, obviously, I'm screen recording on my computer right now, so me showing this video isn't going to be the best example. But I assure you guys this is the best option to do this with. So I'll show you guys really quick how it looks on my screen here. Yeah, so it obviously is very laggy on my screen because I am screen recording, but I assure you guys it does work very, very great and does make your video look a lot better. I really hope I was able to help you guys out with this video. If I was helpful, be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.